Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEXTECH with the unboxing of this TP-Link 8-port gigabit desktop switch. This is the model LS1008G of desktop switch by TP-Link. This is ideal for basic networking. This is green tech, typical of TP-Link Lightwave product line. This is ideal to ensure multiple devices Ethernet connection without sacrificing any of your network speed, and still this is a low-cost product, but it comes, as all the products by TP-Link, with a 3-year warranty. So this is great. So without further ado, let's open the box and check the product itself. Okay, here we have the installation guide. It is, I guess, in multiple languages, but we just have to check. Okay, it's just some basic information, a connection guide and some specification in English, some quite typical paperwork with this product. So let's check the product itself, and let's remove the switch unit here. It's really lightweight, it's made of plastic. Now here we have some information and 2 mounting points on both sides. The case is just plastic, and here's the total of 8 Ethernet ports. A really simplistic build. Here we have the logo, an LED indicator, nothing on this side, the power in socket here, and nothing here, and that's it. A nifty little contraption. So let's check what else is in the box. Okay, here we have the power adapter, a quite typical connector for your wall plug, and this has a very long cable that is really nice. I hate it when there's not enough cable for connecting a switch or any device. So here this is connected from this side, and this can be powered on. It seems we have another manual here. This must be, okay, another installation guide. Okay, here we have a multilingual one in various languages, and I think this is self-explanatory. It seems that this has mostly the same information at every page. So that's it. And this was the unboxing of the 8-port desktop switch by TP-Link. Now leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from ADEXTECH, thank you for watching. Peace.